Dear student, we are discussing about potassium dichromate salt knot. The last lecture we discussed about conversion, interconversion from chromate to dichromate. Acidic medium chromate is yellow, convert into dichromate orange color. Orange color of dichromate in basic medium convert into chromate. The structure of chromate ion and dichromate ion are shown below. This is chromate. Oxidation number of chromium is +6. So +6 -6 cut, remaining -2. In dichromate also oxidation number is +6 of both. So +6 -6 cut, remaining -2. Dichromate is a tetrahedral by shape. Here bond chromium oxygen chromium is 126. Bond length is 179 inner. The chromate ion is tetrahedral, where the dichromate consists of two tetrahedral. This one part tetrahedral, another two tetrahedral part is combined. A corner sharing one corner with CrOCr bond angle 126. Sodium and potassium dichromate are strong oxidizing agent. Potassium dichromate and sodium dichromate are strong oxidizing agent. K2Cr27 and Na2Cr27 both has +6 oxidation state. The sodium salt has a greater solubility in water. Sodium salt means Na2Cr27 in water is extensively used as an oxidizing agent in organic chemistry. આપણે Na2Cr27 organic chemistry માં use કરીએ છીએ. Potassium dichromate used as a primary standard in volumetric analysis. Titration માં આપણે લેબોરેટરીમાં ડિરેક્ટ પિપેટના જે એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ હોય છે એને વોલ્યુમેટ્રિક એનાલિસિસ કહેવાય. એમાં પોટેશિયમ ડાઇક્રોમેટ હોય છે. ઇન ધ પ્રેક્ટિકલ in acidic solution its oxidizing action can be represented as follows. એટલે itself પોતાનું રિડક્શન થાય તેનું ઓક્સિડાઇઝિંગ એક્શન એટલે ઓક્સિડાઇઝિંગ એજન્ટ તરીકે એ કઈ રીતે વર્ક કરશે. ઇન એસિડિક મીડિયમ here oxidation number is +6 of dichromate. In the acidic medium it converts into Cr+3 ion. So one chromium gains 3 electrons. So one chromium gains 3 electrons. So 2 chromium 6. 7 oxygen combines with 40 nitrogen as a 7H2, and this potential value is 1.33. This is reduction potential. Here acidified potassium dichromate. A reduction potential value 1.33 is positive. E degree means reduction potential. Electron gain time plus gaining nature high છે. Itself experiences oxidation, so itself experiences reduction, so oxidizing agent. Acidified potassium dichromate will oxidize iodide to iodine. iodide ion વાળું solution હોય એમાંથી iodine માં oxidation કરશે. One iodide ion releases one electron, so 6 iodide gives a 6 electron. Sulfide to sulfur, here minus 2 into 0. Yes. 6H plus sulfur and 6 electron. This is the potassium dichromate easily oxidized. Iodide ने I2 માં, H2S ने sulfur માં, Sn plus 2 means stannous. Stannous ने stanic માં, ferrous ने ferric માં convert करे છે. The full ionic equation may be obtained by adding the half reaction of potassium dichromate. એટલે આ રિએક્શન છે ઓક્સિડેશન છે, એમાં રિડક્શન રિએક્શન એડ કરીએ એટલે ટોટલ રેડોક્સ રિએક્શન આપે છે Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14H plus 6 electron gives 2Cr plus 3 and 7H2O. Now here Fe plus 2, 6 gives 6 Fe plus 3 plus 6 electron cut. So addition of both oxidation and reduction, and it gives redox Cr2O7 minus 2, 14H plus 6 Fe plus 2 gives 6 Fe plus 3 plus 2 Cr plus 3 and 7 H2O, like this. This is our redox reaction. આનો ઓક્સિડેશન, આનો રિડક્શન, આનો ઓક્સિડેશન. This is redox. Here salt knot of potassium dichromate is over here. Now another question, IMP. Write a short note about potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate is prepared by fusion of MnO2 with an alkali metal hydroxide and oxidizing agent like potassium nitrate. Potassium permanganate means KMnO4 is prepared by fusion MnO2. Fusion એટલે કે પીગળેલું with an alkali metal hydroxide. Alkali metal hydroxide એટલે MnO2 ને પહેલા ફ્યુઝન કરવાનું with sodium hydroxide, otherwise potassium hydroxide, and oxidizing agent like KNO3, potassium nitrate. This produces the dark green K2MnO4. K2MnO4 માં oxidation number is 6. Potassium manganate, which disproportionate in a neutral or acidic solution to give permanganate ion. The first of all 2 mole MnO2, manganese dioxide, we are fusing with potassium hydroxide 4 mole. In presence of oxygen gives K2MnO4. Potassium manganate plus 6 oil, potassium manganate, and this manganate in acidic medium convert into permanganate. Plus 6 oxidation number manganate છે, MnO4 minus 6 permanganate. Then MnO2 disproportionate plus 6 માંથી plus 7 and plus 6 માંથી plus 4. Disproportionate reaction આપે છે. Commercially, it is prepared by the alkaline oxidative fusion of MnO2, manganese dioxide, followed by the electrolytic oxidation of manganese 6. Here you can see MnO4 minus 2 is manganate. Yes, manganate ion, electrolytic oxidation in alkaline solution. MnO4 minus 2 વાળું alkaline solution લઈ એનું ઇલેક્ટ્રોલાઇસિસ કરવાથી આપણને પરમેંગેનેટ આપે છે. Now MnO2 manganese dioxide fused with KOH and oxidized with air or KNO3 કાં તો એર હોય અને કાં પોટેશિયમ નાઇટ્રેટ જેવો ઓક્સિડાઇઝર હોય. So it gives manganate ion first, and manganate ion now convert by electrolytic oxidation in permanganate ion. This is commercial production. In the laboratory, a manganese 2 ion salt is oxidized to peroxydisulfuric acid to permanganate. Here manganese 2 ion salt is oxidized peroxodisulfate. This is peroxodisulfate to permanganate. 8 mole water gives 2 mole of KMnO4, means MnO4, 10 mole sulfate and 16 mole of H plus. Potassium permanganate forms dark purple, almost black. KMnO4 છે એકદમ ડાર્ક હોય છે, which is dark, almost black crystals હોય છે, which are isostructural with those of KClO4. Isostructure means એનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર પોટેશિયમ પરક્લોરેટ જેવું હોય છે, like this. 1 manganese with 4 oxygen. So 1 chlorine with also 4 oxygen. So structure are same of MnO4 minus and ClO4 minus. So in isostructure કહેવાય. The salt is not very soluble in water. KMnO4 છે એ વધારે પડતો soluble હોતું નથી. Only 6.4 gram in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin, means 20 degree Celsius temperature હોય તો 100 gram water માં only 6.4 gram dissolve થાય. But when heated it decomposes at 513 Kelvin. પણ જો આપણે એને ગરમ કરશું તો એ કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય, ડિકમ્પોઝ થઈ જાય, ડિસપ્રોપોર્શનેશન થાય. +7 માંથી +6 and +4. So 2 mole of KMnO4 at 513 Kelvin temperature on heating gives potassium manganate, manganese dioxide and oxygen. It has 2 physical properties of considerable interest. In બે physical property considerable છે, its intense color and its diamagnetic. એનો કલર છે, એક તો એનો ફિઝિકલ પ્રોપર્ટીનો કલર છે પર્પલ, અધરવાઇઝ ડાર્ક. ડાયામેગ્નેટિક એટલે મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડમાં એ રિપલ્શન પામશે. along with temperature dependent weak paramagnetism. Yes, along with temperature પર ડિપેન્ડ કરે weak paramagnetic. જો એનું ટેમ્પરેચર ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરીએ તો સ્લાઇટલી પેરામેગ્નેટિઝમ એટલે સ્લાઇટલી magnet તરફ attracted હોય છે. This can be explained by the use of molecular orbital theory, which is beyond in the present scope. એટલે molecular orbital theory ને આધારે એમાં જે પેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ હોય છે અનપેડ થાય એના કારણે થોડુંક પેરામેગ્નેટિઝમ આપે છે. The manganate and permanganate ions are tetrahedral and pi bonding takes place by overlap of p orbital of oxygen with d orbital of manganese. Like manganese tetrahedral manganate ion, which is green, MnO4, here oxidation number +6. MnO4 -2 means oxidation number +6. અને d orbital અને p orbital સાથે pi bond બને, which is d pi p pi. Yes, d pi p pi. Here d pi p pi bond occurs. અને d orbital અને p orbital દ્વારા pi bond form થાય છે. There are 2 pi bonds and 4 sigma and tetrahedral shape. Pi bonding takes place by overlapping p orbital અને p orbital નો electrons અને d orbital combine થઈને pi bond form કરશે of manganese. The green manganate ion paramagnetic because of one unpaired electron, but the paramagnetic is diamagnetic due to the absence of in MnO4 -2, which is green color. Manganate ion is MnO4 -2, which is green in color, and due to unpaired electrons on oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6, due to unpaired electron which is paramagnetic. Yes, unpaired electron is present, so which is the paramagnetic. But the permanganate ion MnO4 -1, here +7. In manganese 25, argon 4s2 3d7, you can see +6 થાય એટલે અહીંથી 2, અહીંથી 6. આ 4s2 3d5 છે, 2 અહીંથી જાય, 4 અહીંથી d1. d માં 1 unpaired electron છે એટલે paramagnetic. In +7, all the 7 electron is removed, 3d vacant થઈ જાય એટલે MnO4 માઈનસ છે, પર્પલ છે અને પાછું ડાયામેગ્નેટિક છે. અહીંયા d ઓર્બિટલમાં એક અનપેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય છે, હિયર એક પણ અનપેડ હોતો નથી. એસિડિફાઈડ permanganate sodium oxidized oxalate to carbon dioxide, iron 2 to iron 3, nitrites to nitrate and iodides to free iodine. The half reaction of reductants are, એટલે oxalate ion KMnO4 છે એનો ઓક્સિડેશન કરશે એટલે COO minus means C2O4 -2 is oxalate, which convert into carbon dioxide. Yes, in this case COO. In carbonate કાર્બન બોન્ડ છે એ પોલર નથી, અહીંયા 2 અહીં 1 એટલે +3 છે, ઓક્સિડેશન નંબર +3 into +4, here +3 into +4. so આ 1 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લૂઝ કરે 2, તો આવું 5 છે એટલે એક આયન 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લૂઝ કરે 5 એટલે 10, like this. 1 Fe +2, 1 electron losing હોય તો આવા 5 છે તો 5. In NO2 minus oxidation number of nitrogen is +3. Yes, in NO3 minus which is +5, +3 માંથી +5 થાય એટલે એક છે 2 losing કરે તો 5 કેટલા 10. Now 10 mole of iodide ion, 1 I minus 1 electron losing કરે તો 10 છે 10. These are oxidation. The KMnO4 is oxidizing agent and easily oxidize oxalate, ferrous, nitrite and iodide. એનો ઓક્સિડેશન કરશે, પોતાનો રિડક્શન થશે. The full reaction can be written by adding the half reaction for KMnO4 to the half reaction of reducing agent, balancing wherever necessary. Yes, now you can see MnO4 minus MnO4 minus gains 1 electron, convert MnO4 minus to, here oxidation number +7, convert into +6. If we represent the reduction of permanganate to manganate, manganese dioxide and manganese 2 solved by half reaction. Here is 0.56 volt, here +7 into +4 plus 1.69, here +7 into +2 1.52. આની સાથે આપણે લઈએ બેલેન્સ કરીએ. સપોઝ 5 mole of Fe+2 gives 5 mole of Fe+3 5 electron. Here MnO4 minus plus electron gives MnO4 minus 2. આ 5 છે એટલે 5 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ. So 5 cut. So 5 Fe+2 5 MnO4 minus gives 5 Fe+3 and 5 MnO4 minus 2. This is our balanced redox reaction. હવે કોઈ પણ સાથે લઈને બેલેન્સ કરી શકાય છે. We can very well see that the hydrogen ion concentration of the solution plays an important part in influence the reaction. AH plus means acidic medium, important part હોય છે. Although many reactions can be understood by consideration of redox potential, આ રિએક્શનનો ગેઇનિંગ નેચર રિડક્શન પોટેન્શિયલ આઈ છે, એનાથી લેસ આ છે. Many reaction can be understood by redox potential. Kinetics of the reaction is also an important factor. Permanganate at 1 molarity should oxidize water, but in practice the reaction is extremely slow. એટલે મોલારિટી H plus ની 1 હોય તો H plus means molarity 1 should oxidize, waterનો oxidize કરી નાખે, પણ practically reaction slow છે. Unless either manganese 2 ion are present or the temperature is raised, a few important oxidizing sections reactions of KMnO4 are given below. એટલે ટેમ્પરેચર થોડુંક ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરવું પડે. Mn+2 હોય તો એઝ એ કેટાલિસ્ટ વર્ક કરે તો રિએક્શન છે એનો રેટ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થઈ જાય છે. In acid solution, iodine is liberated from potassium iodide. Here 10 mole of I minus એટલે Ki, 10 mole of Ki, 2 mole of KMnO4, 16 mole of H plus gives 2 mole of Mn, manganese oxide, 8 mole of water and 5 mole of iodine. Actually reaction is like this. Our iodide ion is converted into iodine. The iodine no oxidation થયું, +7 માંથી +2 આનું રિડક્શન થાય. હવે 8 મોલેક્યુલ 5 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ગેઇન કરે તો 2 કેટલા 10, તો 10 આયોડાઇડ 10 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિલીઝ કરશે. એટલે રેડોક્સ રિએક્શન છે. આયોડિન લાઇબ્રેટ થાય. આ રિએક્શન યાદ રાખવાનું છે. Fe+2 ion green is converted to Fe+3 yellow. Fe+2 is green in color with MnO4 minus in the acidic medium, which gives manganese 4 mole water and 5 mole of Fe plus 3. So green color is converted into yellow color. Ferrous oxidized by KMnO4 and MnO4 reduces, convert into Mn plus 2 like this. Oxalate ion means C2O4 minus 2 or oxalic acid is oxidized at 333 Kelvin. 5 mole of oxalate ion reacting with 2 mole of permanganate in acidic medium gives 2 mole of Mn plus 2. Here plus 7 માંથી plus 2 means reduction, plus 3 માંથી plus 4 means oxidation. 5 mole oxalate, 2 mole MnO4, 16 mole H plus is 2 mole Mn plus 2, 8 mole water and 10 mole CO2. Hydrogen sulfide is oxidized. Sulfur being precipitated in the hydrogen sulfide, ionizes first H plus and sulfide ion. So 5 mole of sulfide ion in acidic medium react with MnO4 minus and Mn plus 2 and sulfur minus 2 માંથી 0 oxidation, plus 7 માંથી plus 2 reduction. So KMnO4 is oxidizing agent here with H2S solution. Sulfurous acid means H2SO3 and ion of it sulfide SO3 minus 2, sulfide oxidized to a sulfate or sulfuric acid. In SO3 minus 2 oxidation number is plus 4. When it converts into sulfate, there will be plus 6. So sulfite ion convert into sulfate experiences oxidation and plus 7 into plus 2 reduction in the acidic medium. Nitrate ion means NO2 minus, where oxidation number plus 3 with MnO4 minus in acidic medium. Now it convert plus 3 into plus 5 oxidation and plus 7 into plus 2 means reduction. 5 mole of nitrite ion in KMnO4 in acidic medium gives 2 mole of Mn plus 2, 5 mole nitrate and 3 mole of water. Now in natural or faintly alkaline solution, का तो न्यूट्रल हो का faintly alkaline solution हो, a notable reaction is the oxidation of the iodide to iodate. तो 2 mole of KMnO4 water છે એટલે ન્યુટ્રલ થઈ ગયું, એસિડિક કે બેઝિક નહીં, iodide convert into iodate. So I minus here converted into plus 5 oxidation, plus 7 into plus 4 MnO2. Thiosulfate means H2O3 minus 2 is oxidized almost quantitatively to sulfate. MnO4 minus plus 7 into plus 4 in thiosulfate. So plus 4 in H2O3 minus 2. In H2O3 minus 2, 3 to the minus 6. Plus 2 oxidation number is converted into plus 6 oxidation. Manganese salt is oxidized to MnO2. The presence of zinc sulfate or zinc oxide catalyst, the oxidation to zinc sulfide, otherwise zinc oxide is a catalyst. So MnO4 minus plus 3Mn plus 2 mole water convert into MnO2. Permanganate titrations in presence of hydrochloric acid are unsatisfactory. MCQ છે permanganate એટલે MnO4 minus ion હોય એવું લેબોરેટરીમાં બ્યુરેટ પ્રિપેટના ટાઇટ્રેશનમાં HCl છે satisfactory result નહીં આપે. Reason for that, hydrochloric acid is oxidized to chlorine. એટલે KMnO4 વોટર HCl સાથે રિએક્ટ કરે તો Cl માઇનસ નું ક્લોરીનમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખે એટલે HCl યુઝ થતું નથી. એટલે KMnO4 ભેગું સલ્ફ્યુરિક એસિડ we are using. Beside it used in analytical chemistry. આપણી કેમિસ્ટ્રી લેબમાં એનાલિટિકલ યુઝ થાય છે KMnO4. Potassium permanganate is used as a favorite oxidant in preparative organic chemistry. It is used for the bleaching of wool. KMnO4 oxidizing agent તો છે પણ is a bleaching agent. Cotton, wool, silk, other textile fiber દોરાઓ. Decoloration of oil, ઓઇલમાં યલો કલર રિમૂવ કરવા માટે. Also dependent on its strong oxidizing power. Here D block is over here. Now F block we will start in our next lecture. Till then, bye.